Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a couple orders that I received. The first thing is from DoubleClick Connect. Here is DoubleClick Connect's information. Her YouTube, Instagram, and Etsy is just DoubleClick Connect. And she does dewdrops. So I got some of the summer dewdrops to use on some swaps I'm doing, and then she always sends you a little sample, so super cute. She also sends usually some die cuts for you, just as a little freebie, so that's always sweet. So I got that, and then I did a little Instagram order from KG Crafts. Yeah, KG Crafts on Instagram. I picked up, this is like a repurchase. I've already had these glitter hearts, but I really love them. They're from Crepe Paper All Heart collection. And then from Garden Party, I picked up these resin hearts as well. So now I have silver and gold. These are from Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. And then I picked up some of the retro summer bits and pieces. I picked up some of the retro summer journal bits. Let me show you what's on the back. But I'm in a summer swap, so I wanted to just pick up some more ephemera. And then I picked up 2 of the retro sign bits. And this is from the collection Retro Summer by Simple Stories. So super cute. Picked up 2 of those. So that's my little order from that. And then a couple of things that I picked up at Amazon. And a few Prime Day things. The first thing I got was this die. It's from the collection New Day by Echo Park. It's a Sweet Bee die set. So you get the stripes, the wings, as well as the body there, and then the antenna, and the little stinger butt right there. So I picked up that die. I thought it would be great for summer. And then I picked up this Be Happy by Lori Whitlock. It's from Echo Park. And here is the sticker sheet that you get. But I wanted a bee collection. I'm going to go back on Amazon and get the ephemera and the frames and tags. But here's all of the papers that you get up here. And this was on special. I got this on Prime Day. So it was a couple dollars marked down on Prime Day. I picked up these shoes on Prime Day. They're originally $39.99. On Prime Day they were $16.05. And they are just, like, they're super soft, but they are very sturdy, and so I don't want to run them down, so to speak, but they have a very sturdy sole, and then the top is very, almost memory foamish. So I picked those up. They were on sale for $16. And then Prime Day, I picked up the Laura Geller Baked Balance-n-Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. I use this in the color medium right now because it's summer, but I picked up the color Fair for winter months, and it's much lighter. I thought Fair would be too light for me, but this is because it's baked and balanced and all mixed in there, it shows up darker than what it is. Like the medium, I could probably just go with the light, even in the summer. So I got the Fair for the winter months, and it was, usually it's like $40, and it was on Prime Day special for, I think it was $15. And then I picked up these bronze glow drops with niacinamide. These are by the brand First Aid Beauty. And I got a sample of these from my Allure beauty box, and I really like them. So I picked up the full size 1 fluid ounce. And it just says, shake before use, apply drops to create a custom glow, layered or mixed with skincare and makeup, and I just layer mine. After I put on my primer, I put on some of these glow drops just all over my skin, and then I go in with my Baked-n-Brighten, Balance-n-Brighten foundation. So that is my goodies that I received. I have a D-stash to go through, and I'll be back with that video soon, so I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll be back with another crafty planner beauty video.